spring, where you have come out with an idea to spread in the schools, okay, how to repair, how to make these LED bulbs. Because there are a good number of LED bulbs which we generally throw because we don't know how to repair them. But if we know how to repair it, so we can repair them and use it for us. It is not only to save money, it is we are actually doing a saving of e-waste because they are merely e-waste and e-waste is generating like nothing. So this step is going to help to prevent any sort of e-wastage also, and not only you, because you should be the volunteers now to make others also do this. I'm expecting that these students who have done today, they further will be passing on this knowledge to others also. So I thank you, both of you, from you and your organization who has done this activity, and this is a part of the skill development which MEP is expecting. That should be there with our students.
They are expecting to execute these items. I'm Deepak from Brain Excellence Lab, and from my whole team, on behalf of my whole team, I'd like to thank you, sir, first of all. By reading our proposal, you just you got that idea what we are actually planning, that what we can provide to these students in a 2 days workshop, how they can improve their cognitive abilities, logical skills, how they can use their theoretical knowledge practically by this small activity of LED bulb making and repairing workshop. In this workshop, the St. Vivekanand Millennium School, I think this is the only school in Pinjore, Chandigarh region basically, who took initiative. This is the first school actually. We served over, we can say 2,500 schools in Pan India. But in this territory we haven't entered. And you gave us this opportunity. And thank you students, thank you the whole school and the staff, which are very supportive. And you learned beautifully, I guess. हमने बहुत कुछ नया सीखा है in these 2 days, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. And the knowledge, whatever you learned today, as sir said, you have to pass it on. अपने भाई बहनों को बताइए, अपने पेरेंट्स को बताइए. Show them school how school is giving you something extraordinary जो दूसरे कोई स्कूल नहीं दे रहा है. How school is making you independent. How you can become an entrepreneur. How you can become an inventor. You can create something that haven't done before by any student in this region. Okay, so this is from my bottom of my heart and my whole team from Brain Excellence Labs. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us this opportunity. And we wish next year, and not only next year, इस साल भी जब भी मौका मिले, give us the opportunity for any of the workshop required. हम अपना best देने की कोशिश करेंगे. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.